back to the portfolio.
Because they're 20 seconds behind us.
Yes, they are. Summary, 577%, 3 years. So we do not care the market is crashing because we make money. This is what we make per month.
Went down a little.
Like $1.
Yeah.
The reason why it went down is because one of
90
our,
cents.
I think it was our treasury, our bond, that came to fruition. I think. Let's look at it. Yeah, there's only one here, so I should.
CD. The CD came due.
Yeah, sorry, not the treasury. CD. So we've got some cash. That's why it went down. So when we buy this month, that'll come back up. So if you're wondering where'd that dollar go, that's where it went. We got our 4%. If you look at our positions, now the market's down quite a bit. It's it's a really bad day in the markets. That's a good time to buy. Even with all that, we're still doing pretty good. And we do not care that it's down because we're still getting paid our monthly dividends. And these are from mostly companies that are doing pretty good. I would be concerned about Anelli Capital and Devon. Why? Well, their yield's too high. Anelli's bleeding. They're an REIT and they're a mortgage-backed security company, which is a good company. However, that market's been on fire for 2 years and they've been diluting their shares to keep up with it. So I think the REITs are subjected to different rules with dividends, but in this case, I think that's a pretty risky play. We're in it because we like them, but don't buy them expecting for a lot of capital appreciation. At least not yet, not in the near term. So that's it. Anything else you think they need to know
About the stocks?
Yeah.
No, we're doing pretty darn good. Especially down economy that's coming up. I think you're going to see our portfolio fare pretty well.
We talked about that. We might not go up as much as the Mag 7 stocks, at least during it, but when stuff like this happens, watch what happens to those.
We're not going to go down as much as them either.
They will bleed a lot. We will bleed a tiny little bit. We might get a paper cut, so it'll sting because I hate losing money.
Going back to the very, very beginning of this stream, we teach you how to make money the safe way and still make money.
And still make money. There it is, folks.